What's shaking? It's Nick Dean from Gas Sound Supply Co. and I'm here to tell you about the Lexin Novus. What's that? You can't hear it? What's that? Yeah, because it's not in your fucking helmet yet, okay? So relax, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Hey, don't you talk back right now. I'm trying to explain this. Can you hold on 1 minute? I'll get back to you. Anyways, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. We're gonna take it all apart. We're gonna put it in the helmet. You're gonna be good to go. Get on the road, listen to your tunes, rock out, talk to your grandma. I don't fucking care, but I'm gonna show you how to do it, okay? You open it up. See that part? Boom. So this gets tricky right here. So it gives you a whole diagram on the back. You got this fancy wax paper. Smells like it came from the factory, and that's what she looks like. That's the device. We're gonna pull it out real slow like. See that? That's it. Right here, see that? Yeah, this is where people get lost. They go rogue. And when they go rogue, they do stupid shit, and then they have to call us to figure out what they did wrong. Those are the internals, what you need. Let's place it all out here. That's your charging cord. This is your little speaker system. This is your microphone. So, this is another common question. Why is one speaker longer than the other? Where you mount the actual toggle system, which is the Novus, you mount it here. That's where the shortest speaker goes to. You put the shortest wire here, so it lines up. The longest one will wrap around and then go into this internal system. By the way, this is the limited edition Hellfire from Simpson. It's pretty sweet. It's a mod, limited edition. See that? Back to regular programming. Okay, we're gonna pull it all apart. I'm gonna show you one side. Whatever you're lining up to the actual device, that's the shortest side goes to. The longest wire will wrap around the whole helmet into the other side. That's how it works. 3M sticky things, specifically, there's a little cutout, as you will. That's where the speaker goes. Doesn't go on to this. Okay, don't put it on this. Don't fucking do that. Take the 3M, put it into there like that, wrap it around. Just feel it out. Feel out the good times. Button it up. Take your pad, make sure you clip it all back in. I watched this on YouTube once. The mounting part is the backing. This clips onto there. Male, female, slide it down. That locks it into place, okay? So you have an option. If you want to do 3M, which you stick it to the side of the helmet, or you have the mounting hardware. You mount it off of this, and then it slides in behind this little grommet here. So I'm going to show you real quick here. What are you staring at? I'm not happy with you. Seriously? So, it's all this mounting hardware. They even supply you the tool. It's a little Allen key, very small, very delicate. So how this works, take the bolts, line them up in there. I know, this seems like a lot of shit, but we're gonna get done. Get them threaded in enough that you can actually still wiggle it onto the side of the helmet, because that is the key to making it actually stay, so we don't thread it all the way down. So there's still a little bit of play here. See that? Still play. So now, see how it slid on? Just on like that. So now we continue to use the little Allen key, thread it on. You're gonna have the one piece of wiring that comes out the one side. It goes in right here. See how that works? And then it goes on the back side, and you plug that in. Next step, you have to figure out how you want to run your microphone. So your microphone connects into the next little wire. So just plug it in. There's going to be two little arrows, and then it goes like that, like that. I know what you're thinking again, and you know what? I don't need your opinion right now. If you want to hide the microphone, you just tuck it into behind here again, pull this back, and you just tuck it in. And then you take the 3M, and she's done. And that's pretty much how your Lexin is installed. Does it make sense? Was that difficult? Do you want me to do that again? Because I'm not. I'm not going to do it again, because I just did it. Like and subscribe to this video. If you have any more questions, don't ask me, because I just did it. I'm going to leave that here for you to look at. Go fuck yourself.